Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of JPFD. I'm AG.
I'm AK.
And today it's been snowing.
Yes.
So everything's in chaos. Actually, it's not that bad this year. But anyway, usually everything's in chaos. But today we're going to go through some words that are useful for when it's snowing outside.
Yes.
Is that right? So in fact, I think this year, on about the 8th of February, it was the coldest day in Hokkaido, I believe it was, right?
Yes.
The island at the very tippity top of Japan. And it was like minus 27 degrees or something like that.
Yeah,
it's
that's
crazy
cold, isn't it?
Yeah, the coldest since 1957.
Yes.
It's quite a standing record. So, yeah, it's pretty cold here. But we're going to learn some fun new words, what you can use when it is snowing outside. So, yep, let's get into it.
Yes, okay. So the first word I want to teach you today is, you know how to say snow in Japanese, right?
Yeah, snow is yuki.
Yuki. Yes.
Yuki.
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 So what about, I'm not sure how I can say in English, to be honest. How would you say like a big snow? Like a lot of snow coming?
We just say a lot of snow. Or sometimes if it's a lot of snow, we call it a blizzard.
Blizzard.
Yeah.
Okay.
But blizzard isn't just a lot of snow. It's also like quite windy too.
Oh, I see.
So it's not just a lot of snow. Yeah.
So maybe the word I will pick up is like a lot of snow in Japanese. Okay. Do you know how we can say that?
Well, okay. So I know the word for a lot of rain is oame. Right?
Right.
Like you see it again. It's something you see on a train a lot. Like if the train's delayed or something, you see like oame, and it's like
no tame.
Otame?
Ame no tame.
Yeah.
To the big rain.
Yeah. Big rain. So it's literally like the kanji for big and then the kanji for rain.
Oh, okay.
And then,
I see.
So I'm guessing that big snow or a lot of snow is oyuki?
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense.
Correct.
It's logical. I get it.
Okay, nice. So
oyuki. Oyuki.
Okay, so next word is like, how would you describe when snowing?
Okay, so this might be a bit easier for me because I'm familiar with raining, which is futeimasu, like raining, like ame ga futte imasu. I'm guessing yuki, snow, yuki is yuki ga futte imasu.
Right.
Okay, or futteiru, like casual version. Okay.
Yes, that's correct. So yuki ga futte imasu.
Yuki ga futte imasu.
And then the past tense, for example, like yesterday was snowing. So we can say yuki ga futte ita.
Futte ita.
Or yuki ga futte imashita.
Futte imashita. Okay, so like just past tense.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes.
So if you were to make it like a full sentence, even though you don't usually put it in there if it's like obvious, but that's, for example, it'll be kino, which is yesterday, wa, futte imashita.
Oh.
No. I mixed up my tenses there. No, that's like is raining, was raining, kind of. I mixed that up. So, furimashita?
I mean, you're Japanese, right? But you forgot to say what is like.
Okay. We start again. Kino wa yuki ga furimashita.
Okay. That's
nice.
perfect.
Got them in the end.
You can use that.
Yeah.
So another word that, like, for example, if you're a child, you're gonna make something, which is a snowball or snowman.
Or snowman, yeah.
So I would say, how would you say snowman in Japanese?
I don't know.
I think that's difficult because we don't describe man in Japanese.
Yeah, it's like, is it like a snow person? Is that what you call it? Or is there like another word completely?
Another word about, probably you know, have you heard about DARUMA?
Oh yeah, DARUMA is like the doll that you paint one eye and then make a wish, and when it comes true you paint the other one, right?
Basically, like it's the color is red.
Right. It's like red and black eyes, yeah.
So snowman is called Yuki Daruma.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
So I'm gonna tell you 3 other words to wear something when it's snowing.
Okay, so we're gonna look at some
cold.
like clothes, right?
Yes.
Clothes.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
cool.
Okay, the first thing. Do you know how to say this?
So in English we call this a beanie, or just a hat. I'm sure there's other words for it, but I forget right now. But yeah, we say beanie usually. But in Japanese, I know that hat, but it can refer to any hat. I think it's like boshi.
Boshi.
So, but I don't know if there's a Japanese word for this kind of hat specifically.
How do you describe to make this one? How would you say?
You might say like a knitted hat, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Something like that.
It's getting close.
Like a knitted hat. So okay, so how do you say knitted hat in Japanese?
Okay, ニット帽.
Nittobo.
So knitted, nitto.
Okay.
And then 帽 is like taken from 帽子.
Boshi.
So ニット帽.
Nittobo. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, I've heard more and more people call this one as beanie now.
Beanie, okay. So
I think it's kind of Americanized or westernized in Japan.
Beanie, a lot of like skateboarders and stuff wear these.
I see.
No matter what the weather is outside, they'll have a beanie on their head.
All right. Okay. So next one.
Okay.
Do you know what this is?
Well, that's a scarf.
Yes.
But in Japanese, I think I've heard like 2.
Okay.
And tell me if which one's right or which one's more common.
Okay.
I've heard storu, like a stole, which is like an old word for a scarf, I guess. And then also muffler.
Oh, okay.
Which is another kind of old word for a scarf, like a muffler. Yeah. So I think they're both borrowed terms, right, from English.
Yes.
So which one is more common, or which one would you use?
More common one is muffler.
Muffler.
So I think thick clothes like this, we call it muffler.
Muffler, okay.
And then thinner one, like for the summer, we call it like a stole.
Storu, okay.
Or scarf. Scarf is like, for me, it's like handkerchief or like really a cloth.
Like those really light ones that just keeps the sun off you kind of thing. I see. So that's more like a scarf or a stole.
Yes.
Okay.
So, and then another word for Japanese, like especially girls, they use a stole. Like they kind of put on and then don't have a edge.
Oh, so just I've seen those. Like it's like a big circle of cloth, I guess. That's really, really thick. And they put it over their heads and it just covers their faces and things like that. Okay.
So, but you can just say muffler in the winter. So
and that just refers to kind of everything, right?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
cool.
Okay. Okay. Next word is this one.
I know this one. It's a glove.
Yes.
And it is tebukuro.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Right? Tebukuro.
So what does it mean, tebukuro?
So I know the first bit is te, which is hand, of course. And then the second bit I'm less sure about because I hear bukuro with a lot of things. Like we mentioned, the last few episodes ago about fukubukuro, which is like a lucky bag. Then there's, is it binibukuro? Biniru bukuro, which is like a plastic bag, right? And then there's a place called Ikebukuro.
Okay.
I don't know if it's the same, but it is the same bukuro, right?
Yeah.
So I don't quite know what it means. It's in a lot of places.
Oh, I see.
It's like a cover or like a holder or something?
Maybe. I would say tebukuro is kind of like a hand cover.
Cover, right.
So fukuro is like a bag or, something that you can cover up. So tebukuro means just hand cover for me.
Okay. Okay, cool. And ikebukuro is just a mystery. It's just whatever. Yes. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so is that it?
Yep, that's it today. So we're gonna do quick review for today's news lesson.
For today's vocabulary and a little bit of grammar there. Okay, let's go.
Okay, snow.
Yuki.
Snowing.
Yuki ga futte iru.
SNOWMAN.
Yuki DARUMA.
Scarf.
Scarf is muffler or storu.
Glove.
Glove is tebukuro.
Beanie.
Nitto bo.
Correct.
Nice. Okay.
Good one.
And with that brings us to the end of another episode of JPFD. Thank you very much for tuning in today. As always, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Also, you can leave some feedback in the comments and also tell us some more words. We can maybe do another episode of which words you like to learn when it's cold and snowing outside. Okay, and as always, it really, really helps out us and it gets our new videos to you as soon as possible. If you guys hit subscribe, like the button that AK is pointing to right now. So yeah, you can hit us up there, and yep, you'll be notified when we get our new videos out. So thank you again very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you then. Bye bye.